Biotronix Pneumatic Shockwave therapy device. This is the professional model, and this is the touchscreen model. You can see this is the device, and this is the accessory box, and you can see that this is the air compression therapy pneumatic type model. So this is air compression based, not the electromagnetic. This is the pneumatic one. So the weight of the machine is around 18 to 20 kg, quite heavy professional model. And today I am going to give you the demo of the same. I am just switching on the machine from the back side. I have already plugged in. You can see the welcome screen over here. You need to touch that screen to get into the code area. Now it's saying please input your code. The default code is 5 times 0. So I will. You can also modify the code and set according to your need, so that the machine can be used by the one who knows the code. So this is the password or code protected. Default code is 00000. So as soon as I put the code, I get the screen. You can see there are 10 treatment area, 10 different protocols and treatment area, which is having physiotherapy as well as ED treatment area. You can see this is elbow, for knee, for shoulder, for hip, for pubic, for hand, wrist, for lumbar region, for foot or ankle. And this is for the ED, erectile dysfunction, and this is for the fat accumulation. So when I select touch the same elbow, you can see this is the elbow section where there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 probes you can see in this box. These are the 7 different masterpiece or head. 2 for the ED and rest 1, 2, 3, 4. 5th in the applicator is for the physiotherapy. So according to the solution, you can see the same in the picture. You can see the same in the picture. There are 2 probes which is yellow in color. So the same is the suggested probe, and the rest are not. So please select the second and third handpiece. Application recommendation: shots per application is 2000 to 25. So the shot for the application, this application elbow area is recommended is 2000 to 2500 per session. Required is 5 to 10 according to the doctor need. Interval will be 5 to 7 days. So these are the recommendation. There are recommendation as well as which handpiece to be used is there in the all programs you select. Like if you select the elbow one, it will recommend for the elbow. If you select the knee one, it will recommend for the knee one. So now I am showing the various parameters over here. You can see this is the energy. Here energy is the minimum is 0.5 bar. In the multiple of 0.5, you can raise it to up to 12. So you can raise it up to 12. In the previous model in the market, or we are having the maximum we can go for the 8 bar or 10 bar. But here in this latest model, we can go up to the 12 bar energy. So energy we can go from 0.5 bar to 12 bar. So and this is the frequency where you can vary the same from 1 Hertz to 22 Hertz as maximum. You can see 22 Hertz. So in the previous model, it was 1 to 16 Hertz or 1 to 21. In this model, it is 1 to 21 Hertz. So this is the pre-selection area. You can vary the same from the up to 5000 shots. So recommended is 1000. Recommended is 2000 to 2500. You can vary the same, or you can go up to 5000. So these are the shots you have pre-selected. Now when you will start the device, the shot will be counted in the current section area. I will show you the same, providing you the demo of the same. Now I am taking the applicator off. I am going to start the device. I am decreasing the energy because 12 bar is quite enough energy to apply on the hand. So I am decreasing the 4 into 4 bar. Now I am going to start the sim. I have to press it. You can see I have the applicator, and now I am going to press this. You can see the shot is getting count it, and once the selected shot will be over, the device will stop. This is the maximum frequency. Now I will decrease the frequency. So you decrease the frequency. One by one I am decreasing the thing. You can see the change. So this is the minimum 1 hertz. This is the frequency. Now I am increasing the same. Now I am increasing the energy because the device is quite heavy and getting the energy on my hand is quite so I won't be able to tolerate the same in that area because the energy is quite high. The same energy needs to be for the bigger area and all. So you can see the device is quite effective and quite professional. So now to pick up the same, if I want to pick up the same from the hand, I can press the same. In between, the shots will be like I have selected 1850 shots, and currently I have got 755, and I have stopped the same. I can resume the same too from here also, or I can stop the same from here also. And once the pre-selection shots will be completed, the device will automatically stop. So I just stop the same. And I just go back, and you can see that these are the other different programs, and you can see this is the quality of the applicator. You can see, and this is the switch. You can use the touch screen as well as you can use the cursor switch. I will show you how to use this. This is the cursor switch. You can see, as you can see the arrow over here. If I rotate the same arrow over here, rotate the same arrow over here, rotate the same arrow over here, and I am going to the shoulder, and I am selecting the same. As soon as I press the same, I will get into the shoulder section. Now after going into the same, I can again get the cursor. I can rotate the cursor to various parameters, and when I need to change that parameter, I have to select the button. That will be in the yellow color now, and I can increase or decrease by rotating the knob. You can see I am rotating. I am increasing the same to 2500. You can see I have increased the same to 2500. Now I just press the same, yellow light will go, and now I will move the cursor to the other area. This section can't be varied, so I am going to the other area. I am going to the frequency, select the same, increase the frequency, unselect, and if I need to press the same, तो आप देख सकते हैं ये कर्सर मेरा यहाँ पे है, इसको मैं यहाँ से स्टार्ट भी कर सकता हूँ, स्टॉप भी कर सकता हूँ. तो आप दोनों टच स्क्रीन भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं और ये कर्सर भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. कभी आपकी टच स्क्रीन अगर ब्रेक हो जाती है, ख़राब हो जाती है, वो हो जाती है, तो आप कर्सर का भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं और जो आपको कंफर्टेबल फीचर लगे आप उसका यूज़ कर सकते हैं. और ये इसका एप्लीकेटर आप देख सकते हैं, हैवी ड्यूटी है. इसमें एक बुलेट ऑलरेडी होता है. So one bullet will be already there in the device, and there are 4 spare bullets with the same also. So one bullet will give you around 3 lakh to 4 lakh shots, and there are 4 spare bullets and 1 bullet in the device. So you are getting 5 bullets with the device and around 80 to 20 lakh shots for the machine. After consuming those bullets, you can purchase the bullet and put the same in the device, and you can use the machine later on. So I am just putting the handle over here, and you can see this is the accessories carry box. These are the gel and these are the applicators, and this is a probe section area. So and these are the fuses and all, and this is and this is a spare bullet. The box can also be low. You have the key over here, and this is the key, so you can lock the box and protect it. So this is the carry box, this is the device, and thank you for watching.